No, don't
Continue, sir.
please no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I'm
I am
arguing.
not passing any
What
comments,
side?
with due respect,
No.
sir.
Don't do it.
I'm just
Don't,
assisting.
you assist there. Don't do within not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have to.
Don't show your arrogancy here.
Nothing else.
CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
All right, Mr.
No,
Bandhavati.
I'm arguing. This is a constant. Tell your client, Mr. Majumdar, do not be afraid to your clients. High Court.
Yes, Mr. Bandhavati, please.
Now, therefore, my lord, what I was submitting. See, if the Mr. Majumdar says post incidents are there for that investigation is quite a complete new case. No objection, nothing.
Don't continue, sir.
Please no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I'm
I am
arguing.
not passing any
What
comments,
side?
with due respect,
No.
sir.
Don't do it.
I'm just
Don't,
assisting.
you assist there. Don't do within not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have to.
Don't show your arrogancy here.
Nothing else.
CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
All right, Mr.
No,
Bandhavati.
I'm arguing. This is a constant. Tell your client, Mr. Majumdar, do not be afraid to your clients. Be a lawyer of High Court.
Yes, Mr. Bandhavati, please.
Now, therefore, my lord, what I was submitting. See, if the Mr. Majumdar says post incidents are there for that investigation is quite a completely new case. No objection, nothing. I am not raising an objection. I am saying about your point is, my lord, if the magistrate statutorily doesn't give the power, law is that if an investigation is defective, court can direct. That's the fundamental. That is the will of all cases. Even at the stage of the trial, it can be, if there is a fault, if the court says there is a fault in an investigation, court may direct for further investigation. And under the new act, when a further investigation has ordered to be directed to, it has to be done within 6 months. Therefore, the point before your lordship is this: whether if the statutory power is not there, writ court is having the power. Can you revive the trial? If a trial cannot be revived, how the court can direct investigation? I have other judgments. I will argue on the next day. I've said I will have to leave. I have other judgments.
No, I know.
No, I have a very little knowledge in criminal law.
No,
I always scared in a matter when I appear, especially when Mr. Rajdeep Majumdar and Mr. Sudipto Maitri appear. When I was doing in the Rijanur case, I will not take the name of all the senior counsel appearing against me were saying we have to go to the law classes. I had to hear that comments also. But indeed, I had to hear that from the senior counsel who was appearing from the other sides. But unfortunately for them, fortunately for me, that I won't. But I must say, Miller, one of the senior counsel, that the great Bolai Rai, when I was arguing, almost on the last day, he came out from the court before the delivery of the judgment. He said to me, Kallan, I am happy that one lawyer has come. Even if I die, I will know that there is a lawyer in Calcutta. I am so grateful to him. They were incorrigible, but today's legal luminaries tell me that I don't know the law. No.
They don't treat after getting senior governors.
On the next day I will, and if possible, your lordship keep it at 4 o'clock or 4:15 it will be. With your lordship's permission.
Yes, please.
No, I have said. State is saying.
No, I remember you have on merits, you don't have any objection. You have submission, so as the law is concerned.
Law is concerned.
Well, then it is for academic content.
No, academic or non-academic, that's a different thing.
See, on the instructions of the client, he has made his submission. As a lawyer, professional,
yesterday I said before the Honorable Chief Justice, in a Jadavpur matter, I submitted, it is not the instruction of my client, but as a senior advocate, I feel that lordship should pass an order stopping all meetings within the Jadavpur constituency, Jadavpur University. There should be a balance has to be created between a fundamental right and the normal public interest. Public is also enjoys the fundamental right. People have less to it.
Lord, other two deposition is also with me. If your lordships want to sit, we can. भूलभाल बात टीचर बोलिए एक्सपर्ट कभी दे दिया ये ना उनके पास है
ये पीएम डॉक्टर है,
हाँ पीएम डॉक्टर
ये बता दीजिए।
ये डीएन एक्सपर्ट है ठीक है
डॉक्टर मदर सिंह
ये है एकदम से काम नहीं है सब जगह नहीं कर रहा है डोंट आंसर टू एनी ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन हाँ
Mr. Mojumdar,
yes well
DNA profiling was done only of the accused or any other person?
DNA profiling yes other accused other persons also
Other persons?
yes we have done it DNA profiling वो जो उनका
that was not required. So we have conducted polygraph test and lie detection test. That was
okay But should I mention it open court or
No,
not?
no, you have the report.
We have mentioned.
Report we have mentioned. We have mentioned everything. Yes, my lord, kindly. Just one. वो कहाँ पे लिखे थे जो आधा जो दो लोग का जो काफी कहाँ पे लिखे हैं?
Page 17, paragraph 9.
देखो.
Page 17,
Yes,
paragraph-
Milord, page 17, para 9.
Polygraph test reports also.
We have the polygraph test report also. Yes, yes, I understand that you said.
You have got their statements.
Yes, we have.
1 minute. Give me the documents. Give me the documents. If you have or you produce that. One is the 161 statement if you have recorded.
Yes,
Number one. Number two, are these persons any sample except the you have referred to voice analysis and polygraph test.
yes.
Any DNA analysis of these persons were done. DNA analysis.
Because nothing was found on the spot.
This is where the DNA analysis done prior to the this or post this
Which
of
one?
the accused who has been
Prior to this.
of the accused who has been
Yes, yes.
convicted prior to this.
No, no.
No.
After convicted after. Yes, during investigation we have done it
No, this
simultaneously.
Before filing charge sheet.
Yes,
Before filing charge sheet.
because all these aspects we have Milord, covered.
refer to the persons. I have said ask the. I have come over, reached over here because I asked you a question. DNA profiling was done for one person or more than one person.
One person.
Paragraph 5. So only one male DNA person was found in samples lifted from state.
In the samples, Milord, there is only one male DNA.
Ah, that is right.
No other male DNA was found on the samples.
Mr. Moitro, I think you better because it will be very difficult for me to proceed. There is already one conviction.
One.
On already one conviction.
Yes.
Evidence is already there in court.
In respect of that accused only.
In respect of that, without going through that, I am not a cross-examiner now.
No, your lordship did not, my lord. But I
So
can
the-
only draw your lordship's kind attention to two aspects of this matter.
Uh-huh.
First, my lord, my learned friend raised the objection regarding the writ petition being heard by your lordship.
ওটা পরে হবে, ওটা পরে। I'm going into the merits now. I will hear that.
Yes. Now, so far, my lord, the writ petition is concerned, my lord. Rather, my lord, the particular incident is concerned, my lord. I shall draw your lordship's kind attention to certain, my lord, the sequence of events. If your lordship kindly go through that sequence of events and the conduct of the then investigating agency and subsequent investigating agency, your lordship will simply amazed. But if your lordship kindly take trouble to go through, my lord, paragraph 4 of my petition.
এগুলো ফেরত দিয়ে দিন রাজীব। Okay, ঠিক আছে। Okay.
যেটা trial কোনটা করতে
এইটা বলো রাখ দিচ্ছি
Paragraph 4. But I shall not place your lordship kindly read it yourself.
This is why I'm saying, sir, I've got to see the evidence already which is there.
But my lord, till today, that assistant superintendent of hospital, non-medical, was not examined. But in my humble submission,
It is
my
not
lord,
true, my lord. He has been
what
examined.
did the hospital authority do?
He has been examined.
Well, my lord, such a gruesome incident took place within the hospital.
Her statement is also with
What
us.
duty of the principal or the superintendent of hospital to lodge immediately an FIR? Or, my lord, the police could have, my lord, lodged an FIR suo moto. Now, kindly appreciate, my lord, that pen drive was given to the investigating agency. We do not know what happened. But in the ordinary course of events, my lord, when this thing came into the,
Which pen drive?
that's the conversation between, my lord, the parents and the assistant superintendent of police, hospital. Kindly seize, my lord, what was informed initially. But in the ordinary course of event, police immediately ought to have, my lord, taken this person under custody and interrogated. Many things could have been come out, my lord. Then your lordship is surprised to see next stage. Till the parents, my lord, the father lodged the FIR, no FIR was lodged, and FIR was lodged, my lord, at 3:30. And in what manner your lordship will see?
But these aspects we are investigating. The further investigation, whatever they are saying, my lord, now it is going on. But to blood.
My lord, kindly see, neither the superintendent nor the principal ever appeared at the occurrence. Ever meet, my lord, the parents of the victim girl.
But these issues
My
are
lord,
covered in the status report.
Then, my lord,
Lordship will get that.
investigating agency, what he did, which carried the dead body. Before the, my lord, parents reached at his residence, dead body was given.
But
Now, my lord, Lion Pen is
Mr. Moito, let me just deal in my own manner for the timing. I'll give audience to both of you, Mr. Bandyopadhyay and Mr. Mojumdar.
Well, so but Mr. Bandyopadhyay is concerned, my lord, I am fortified by your lordship's court judgment.
ঠিক আছে।
There is after conclusion of the trial, after, my lord, the order of acquittal was
that
passed.
Papan Datto case, your lordship can remember that.
My lord, I had a privilege to appear in that case, and that was.
And Mr. Bandyopadhyay argued. And that is the reason further investigation was directed.
Other
And
investigation.
change of
It
investigation.
can be, my lord.
We'll argue. Lord, it's a dynamic subject. I have no issues.
By Larded Friend cited 2013 Madras judgment. There are, my lord, 2016 two judgments of the apex court where it was held that further investigations does not, irrespective of the stage.
And 2019 also, Justice Norrington has passed the judgment.
Mr.
2019.
Just tell me.
My lord,
Judges bench. I have all the
few days
judgments.
back, only few days back, my lord, the news came out, my lord, in the newspaper that with the assassination of the President Kennedy, a person's name was, my lord, divulged. Investigation is going on to fix the liability.
Well, that is not settled propositional law, my lord. I don't think there is any doubt, my lord.
And further, my lord, when
The stage, my lord, is immaterial.
state is not opposing the further investigation.
Mujumdar,
Yes, my lord.
this way things can't move actually. I've got to follow a path because 2 or 3, 4 days maximum I'll take up the matter. So just tell me, can you show me the case diary you received from the Calcutta police initially?
Yes. आज नहीं है. We can.
Produce that. And I want you must be having a movement register since you are monitoring. These cryptic questions will be coming up, which I've got to deal with also. He was not examined, they were not examined, and all these things. You understand?
My lord, just my lord, kindly turn to my lord, page 14. Your lordship's query is
Today
there.
they are saying this, tomorrow they will take up another name. You
And
understand?
her evidence has been taken up, my lord.
So what you do, you must be having your roster in the office. Whoever is attending regularly in connection with this case, you must be maintaining something.
Whoever.
My lord, security staff
And
who
my
are
lord,
on duty on that day,
Office, what office? My lord?
In your CBI office or
Yes.
the case diary concerned
Yeah.
or the movement register, whatever you are maintaining, maybe you are not citing a person as a witness,
Oh.
but you are calling the person.
Yes,
for
yes. That is
examination.
the register we are maintaining
So,
in case diary.
to give a list whom you have examined
and when?
and the dates. আমি বলছি রে বাবা
Not only order.